Okay guys, we're on our way out on a little expedition. Gonna do some gear testing. A little bit of gear's been kind of piling up that some people have been sending me to test out, and a few other things I've just been trying to get taken care of and get done. Taking a break, taking out a couple of the new guys on a camping trip basically. And we're actually, where we're going right now is known as one of the most dangerous areas in Honduras. Now we're going to talk about sleeping pads, all right? And I've got really the full spectrum of sleeping pads here. I've got the smallest that I think you could carry, and I'm going to put a link in the description. I'm working with this company, giving them some promotion. So basically, what we're going to do is talk a little bit about this package, and I'm also going to compare it to pretty much the full lineup. I've used this a ton, okay? This is a Thermarest brand, and it's one of their smaller ones. I've used this a bunch. This is just a military surplus, and this is the newest, biggest, most BA Thermarest that they make. I'm gonna try this out for the first time today. I'm getting a little older, back problems, knee problems. I can't even really sleep in a hammock anymore because of the knee pain, so I used to just bring an Eno hammock. But I'm gonna compare all of these. We got 4 people camping today. We got one tent over here we just put in. Mostrar la campamento. And we've got another tent over here. Basically, also both ends of the spectrum, one of the lower end and higher end tents that we've got here. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open this package here. Like I said, I'm working with this company. I'm gonna give you guys, but I'm still gonna give you guys an honest review, obviously. This is very, very fairly priced. Okay, it's a great price point. Comes with a survival blanket and a paracord bracelet. Nice little packaging. The coolest thing about something of this size is really it's just extremely tiny. Okay, guys? So basically, survival bracelet, emergency blanket, and the thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this to one of my new workers that is working with me now. I'm actually training him, and see if he can, how easy it is to inflate. Una cama. Ver si puede inflar y poner aire y utilizar. So we're gonna go ahead with this and see what we can do with it. See how it works out. I'll probably end up speeding this part up, but you guys can see it's not taking extremely long. I'll probably end up doing a little bit of editing for time, but we're in about a minute right now, and it's probably 70%, 80% inflated, and he hasn't passed out yet. So we're looking like it's doing pretty decent, and I'll catch back up with you guys tomorrow and let you know how it does overnight. How is it? ¿Está bien? Looks like the... Qué bueno! Looks like it's doing pretty good. We've got the other bed in there. This one I've carried for a long time. Like I said, I've done a lot of camping with this guy. I'll show you guys how to use it. This one's a lot more simple to inflate. This is a Thermarest, but it takes up a lot of space in the pack. So the real benefit of that other one, which is really an awesome thing, is it's tiny. It really is tiny, and this one kind of... So the sleeping pad did extremely well. Cómodo. See, it was comfortable, and it didn't pop at all. There was no leaks. Y ¿cuál lo mejor, esta o el otro? This was the better one out of the two here. And like I said, you could see the difference between this one and this one, how it packs down. This one packs, I mean, not much bigger than a grapefruit. And this one, we're having crazy trouble, which this is by far the most comfortable, but it's huge. You can't carry it anywhere in a backpack. If you're not using it in a vehicle, then it's just almost useless. So that's the rundown on the sleeping pads. You basically have to choose a balance between size and comfort. So choice is yours, guys, but This little guy here, again, link in profile below, is a great option strictly due to the just tiny size it fits in your backpack and great price.